Box dos. Got one thing. I want to get my shit mixed up. How's it 16? Tier 1. How's Tier 1? PYT case break. 1, 6, 2. Alright. Good luck, guys. Let's hope this one's a little bit stronger than the last one. I really want to pull one of those big Hall of Famer bat knobs. That would be so freaking awesome. All right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's 12 total. Sorry, Darren. I just realized you had Giants in this one, and we just hit that bat knob or bat barrel. That's gotta suck, dude. Sorry, man. All right, guys. Good luck. This one's really light, really thin. Holy shit. Redemption. Oh, shit. Nice. Brandon Drury, D-backs, Brian Pritchett out of 299. And then look at this. I'm thinking this is numbered to 10. And this is PC, so we're going to ring a ding-a-ling. Definitely. Mr. Vagina, Prime Performers autograph, Silver Ink Parallel, Manny Machado, Baltimore Orioles. I'm thinking that's just like that Ricky Henderson, so that means it's out of 10. Ryan of Vagina hits a nice little PC item right there. There you go, man. You've been getting creamed the past couple weeks, and I just got you some filth. Congratulations, Jagoff. Nice hit, man. I'm pretty sure that's out of 10. Yeah, no time to sign autos when you're knocking people the fuck out. And to the Red Sox, Hanley, game used bat out of 299. So that's not a bad way to start off the case. Let's hope it continues like that. Yeah, Eagles minis open to everyone. Everybody. All right, next box. Let's get a big Hall of Famer and blow this shit up. Oh, another nice ass hit. Zach Lee out of 249. Man, I remember I bought a shit ton of this guy's Bowman Chrome autos like 2 years ago. I swore he was going to come up and be, at least decent. I must have like 2011, I think it is, Zach Lee refractor autos, and they're worth trash now. Look at this. Dual auto, Noah Syndergaard and Steven Matz, redemption. That goes to E-Dub. E-Dub with some heat. There you go, man. Noah Syndergaard and Steven Matz, dual auto. I don't know. I'm trying to get flawless. Yeah, Darren. It doesn't come out till like the 22nd or something. Flawless Baseballs on Wednesday. I'm doing that. I already have that coming. It's supposed to come 2 weeks ago. But Flawless Soccer, I'm trying to get. I want to do it. I'm nervous about doing it, but I want to. And Buster Posey. Look, I told you I'd pull you a Buster Bat Relic. There you go, Darren. Sorry, it's not quite the bat barrel, but it's a bat. So I always keep my promises out of $2.99. Mets again, Lucas Duda out of 25. So this was a Mets box. Flawless Baseball is probably going to be really cool, man. Out of 25. And next box. This has been a better case so far. 2 really nice hits. Let's keep that going. Another decent hit. Miguel Sano. Am I saying his last name wrong? Sano or Sano? Is it a long A or a short A? That's out of 25. That is the Twins, Pritchett. If I pull you a knob, you bastard, I just got you an out of 10 Manny. Don't go all Brewer on me. And to the Giants again, I'm pulling all kinds of Buster Posey tonight. Out of 50, auto patch. Darren Sloan. Everything's Casey's fault. Come on, guys. Everybody knows that. At least there's better names in this case. The last case had shit names. Robinson Cano. Mariners. That is Rob Krowicki, I believe. Yep. I'm out of 120 points, so I'm putting these in 130. They still fit well, but they're not like perfectly snug. They're all getting team bags, so don't worry. They're not gonna like fall out in the envelope. I don't use 120 that much, so I didn't really have a lot laying around. I went through like 7 packs of them in the first case. It's another decent box. Ryan Braun, out of 50. This goes to the Brewers. Rick Cisco. Rick Cisco. You're getting a lag? John, just restart. Like, if you're on the phone, just cancel out the YouTube app and then restart it. Sometimes that'll help. And this should be it. He's doing pretty well. Byung-Hyo Park to the Twins again. Brian Pritchett, rookie auto out of 249. I wonder if that sells decent because he's having a good year. Oh, I do have more 120s. What the fuck? I have one more pack left. Byung-Hyo Park and Jacob deGrom, Mets once again. Yeah, I would cancel out the YouTube app, restart it, and you'll probably be fine. That used to happen to me on Twitch all the time. And I would do that, and it would work out perfect. Still haven't hit the big one yet. This doesn't feel too heavy, so there's probably not a bat knob in here. And Giants. Matt Cain, out of 50. You're doing good, half decent in this, Darren. Matt Cain out of 50. And yet another San Francisco Giant, Matt Duffy, out of 299. So, the last box was the box, if you had the Giants, the last case, to hit the 101. but this has a ton of Giants hits in it. Prince Fielder, jersey relic, out of $3.99. Rangers, Rob Krowicki. Halfway point. Come on, baby. Trying to figure out which one. I don't know. None of them really feel heavier than any of the others. Maybe we're not getting one. That would blow. Mark Teixeira out of 99. Yankees. Marcus Valpurcell with the Teixeira auto. Yeah, I want to hit a big Hall of Fame name. I want to kill this MFer. Blake Sweetheart, who I think is done for the season now. Rolled his ankle or something. Red Sox out of $2.99. Mr. Mike Yawkey. And once again, this is a Mets case. Travis Darnod with the camo patch out of $3.99. Eric Whitland hitting all the Mets in this one, including that dual Thor Mats auto. All right, guys, this needs to pick it up now. It was good for the first couple boxes, and then it sort of slowed down. Need to get going again. All right, here we go. John Smoltz out of 50. Rick Sisco. There you go, Rick. Some Hall of Famer action. I'll run that Prestige mini right after this. And another freaking Met. Steven Matz out of $2.99. E-Dub. Another Met hit. So Cardinals in the first case, Mets in this one. All Mets here. Angels, Vlad Guerrero at $3.99. Who had them? Matthew Hall. Fucking horseshit. Darren, you did okay in this one. What are you talking about? Vlad Guerrero. Carlos Beltran out of 50. Jersey relic. Yankees again. Marcus Valpurcell. Did I put that wrong? Maybe I did. Let me double check. Maybe I put it on here wrong. That's one. Where's two? You know, I thought that too when I pulled the card. Let me just double check. Whatever's on the website, on the group page is correct. I made these kind of fast earlier. You're right. Pritchett does have the Braves. My bad. It's fixed. So the Schmaltz goes to Pritchett. I transcribed it wrong on the spreadsheet. All right. Thanks, Ryan. Got a lot of air in it. All right. Dodgers out of 50. Agon. Charles Brewer. He is going to be pissed as shit when he watches these videos, man. He is not hitting well at all. He's going to flip the fuck out. I'm going to get yelled at so bad tonight. Red Sox, again, 249, Henry Owens, rookie auto, Mr. Mike Yawkey. Henry Owens. All right, come on. Where's our big bat knob or barrel or something? Michael Franco out of 399. Phillies, Rob Krowicki. And I need some sleeves. Fide. Michael Franco. Yeah, I talked to the owner of Historic Autographs last night on the phone. He saw my tweet and he called me. He's actually a really good dude. He's from Philly, too. The company's located in Pottstown, and dude was funny as hell, man. I think we don't have a knob. You guys are going to be pissed. All right. Mr. Rick Cisco out of 25. Robin Yount, auto. 1 of 25. Robin Yount. Rick Cisco. Robin Yount. And then check this shit out. E-Dub hits another freaking Met. Noah Syndergaard, 1 of 75 with a nice looking patch. That's your second Syndergaard auto in this case, dude. I'm hoping that's not the case hit, but kind of thinking that it is. 1 of 75, Syndergaard. Yeah, he was a cool guy, and like, oh, 36 of 50. Oh shit! Do you know what I forgot to do? Well, I guess I'll do it now because it wasn't even relevant on the last one. That's a Shin-Soo Choo Rangers. We have to random the names. Hold on 1 second. Here you go. We have to random because we just hit that funk. Josh Gibson, game-used bat. Look at that shit. Josh Gibson, game-used bat relic. That was the weakest bell ever. I don't know. I don't think it's a huge money hit, but it's freaking Josh Gibson. So this is one of those. I plan on breaking Tier 1 on Sunday. I got the a tentative lineup for Sunday already up. It's if you go to Files on the Jason here, let me show you real quick, and then I'll do this random. But it's just a tentative lineup. It's more than likely what I'm going to do, but I don't want to promise it and then something happen. So if you go to the top of the group page and you hit Files, I update this every now and then. It's not the greatest, but I got my tentative schedule up for Sunday. We're doing Tier 1, another case of Prestige, that Friends and Foes stuff, box of Leafs greatest hits of baseball, and I'm going to do a NT football 1-box cereal break. So if you ever need to look and find the break schedule, I don't update it very well. I forget some weeks, but that's where you would find it. So what I got to do now is I got to random everybody in the break because it was a Negro leaguer and they are not assigned to the team on the checklist. So let's get that shit done and see who gets the Josh Gibson bat relic. Watch it be Whitland, and everybody freaks the hell out. You guys can see what I'm doing, right? The lag is ridiculous tonight. All right, Josh Gibson bat relic. PYT number 2. All right, there's your list. Jason Cooper on the bottom. Rick Cisco. Is that the right one? Son of a bitch. It's not the right one. I'm a fucking retard today. What the hell is the matter with me? Sorry, guys. All right, Brian Pritchett on the top. This is PYT 2. I was copying PYT 1. All right, McMurdy's on the bottom. Pritchett's on the top, because Pritchett has the D-backs, McMurdy has the Nats, McMurdy, Pritchett, just a straight list. So however many teams you have, that's how many chances you get. 4 or better, 7. Here we go. Good luck, guys. Pete, David, Goldfaden, Pritchett, Whitland for the final roll. Justin's on top, 854. Brian Pritchett, you get the Josh Gibson bat relic. Congrats, dude. That's a nice hit. Can't complain about something like that. That is really cool. Yeah, I'll definitely tag you, dude. Don't worry. I will absolutely tag you. Another cool hit. Yeah, if I would have used the wrong PYT list by accident, Pritchett wouldn't even have been on it. So Josh Gibson bat relic, that's pretty goddamn cool. This case, I think, overall has been better than the first one. Just we haven't hit a 101. I don't know if we're gonna now. Paul Molitor, Brewers again. 2 Hall of Fame autos for the Brewers. Rick Cisco. Camera's all out of whack. That is out of 50. Paul Molitor, and you hit Robin Yount. Yeah. Tagged men. Phillies again. Rob Krowicki. Aaron Nola at a 299. Rookie auto. Nice. Aaron Nola, rookie auto. And Jacoby Ellsbury at a 399. Yankees. Marcus Valtricel. Brian Pritchett hit the Negro League card. Congrats, Brian Pritchett, on hitting the Negro. That's my African American. He's a great guy, my African American. Look at my African American, everybody. Does that remind you of anybody, Ryan? This is a nice hit. Here you go. But look what team it's for. Of course. The Mets. 21/25. Mike Piazza. Eric Whitland. Hit the entire Mets checklist in this break. Everybody beat his ass. Eric Whitland. Brian hit the Josh Gibson bat relic. Richie Schaefer, Tampa Bay Rays. Brian Pritchett. Richie Schaefer. And once again, all White Sox hits go to whoever owns the Tampa Bay Rays. Jose Abreu out of 399, not Casey Rios. This will be shipped to whoever had the Tampa Bay Rays. Last box, guys. This is it. Final chance. Need to hit one of those knobs. Where the fuck is my Sean Green auto? Okay, I can already tell you there's not a knob in here because this is as thin as a pancake. That sucks. Well, it wasn't a Sean Green. It was an out of 50 Edwin Encarnacion, Justin. Not sure which one you prefer. What league? Negro League. Edwin Encarnacion out of 50 Blue Jays. And to the Cincinnati Reds, Kyle Waldrop. Marcus Valcarcel. Cincinnati Reds on the board. Marcus. Final hit. Not a Trout, but close. Albert Pujols, Angels, out of 299. Oh, you seriously do? Oh, I didn't even know that. Are you joking with me? Albert Pujols. All right, so I thought that case was a little better. No 101, no bat barrel, nothing like that. But if you got the Mets, you hit really nice. So, Pujols, relic. Kyle Waldrop, Edwin Encarnacion, Jose Abreu, Richie Schaefer, out of 25, Mike Piazza. I forgot to take a pic of that. Jacoby Ellsbury, Aaron Nola, Paul Molitor, Josh Gibson, Shin-Soo Choo, Noah Syndergaard out of 75, and out of 25, Robin Yount. Out of 50, Buster Posey. I guess because we got two of the relic autos, we didn't get a 101. Miguel Sano out of 25, gold. Lucas Duda, Buster Posey bat. Zach Lee auto. Hanley bat. Brandon Drury. These names that are in this are so stupid. Why is that guy in something like this? Michael Franco, Henry Owens, Aegon, Beltran, Vlad Guerrero, Steven Matz, John Smoltz out of 50, Travis Denard, Blake Swihart, Casey did, Mark Teixeira, Prince Fielder, Matt Duffy, Matt Cain, Jacob deGrom, Young Hill Park, Ryan Braun, and Robinson Cano. And then we also had two redemptions. What I believe is out of 10 Silver Ink Manny Machado, and the duel of Noah Syndergaard and Steven Matz. So, I don't know, guys. It's Topps. This is what they frequently do on all of their products. They're stingy little bastards, and I know not a lot of people agree with this, but my opinion is that I want to see Topps go under and Panini get the exclusive because, one, Panini doesn't screw around like Topps does. And as far as like dealing with people that buy their cases, Topps is just a piece of shit. And they put out they don't put out a great product for the price that they charge. I really hope that Topps goes into serious financial trouble and Panini takes over the baseball, because Panini does so much better with like relics and stuff. I mean, look at this. Like every single relic looks like that. But then like when you open a Panini product, they got cleats, they got helmets, they got all kinds of crazy shit that you can pull. Topps never does that. And then they put out stuff like Museum that they charge $2,200 a case for, and you got guys like Robert Refsnyder, and it pisses me off.